Pop said Skip secludes himself in the woods. Where else should we look?
Don't
touch that cake.
It's a medical emergency.
Dude, I'm telling you, if you keep eating like that, your body's gonna quit on you.
Oh, why isn't more food working?
You can't even feed yourself. How are you gonna feed a bunch of ducks?
Good point. I don't think I've fed them at all yet. Have you?
Both of you better tell me what's going on right now. My stomach. My mouth. My mouth is on fire.
Loudest! I get to pick where we're eating.
No, wait, dude. Check it.
You ladies got nothing. Hear it and weep.
That's cheating! You're pumping in a bunch of air! I saw one show where the guy made a 3-course meal out of nothing but tree bark.
Oh, I'm famished. Ooh.
But I want the pow-pow now! Ah, stupid body. Okay, let's get some food.
O Taquinho versus fã de Five Nights at Freddy's.
Cavalo de coelho, catongo, galinha, que criancinha. Quem que